Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use chat in Division 2. To begin, simply press the Enter key on your keyboard to open the chat window. Once open, you can easily select different chat channels, such as Global, Group, or Clan, to direct your messages. This allows you to communicate effectively with your team, group, or even the entire server, ensuring smooth coordination during gameplay. Understanding the various chat channels is crucial for effective communication. For instance, typing /group before your message ensures only your current party members see it. If you need to communicate with your entire clan, simply use /clan followed by your message. Additionally, /say allows for proximity chat, letting you talk to players within a close range. Division 2 offers several advanced chat options to enhance your experience. You can easily mute or block disruptive players directly from the chat interface, maintaining a positive environment. Furthermore, customize your chat window by adjusting its size and font within the display settings. Don't forget to utilize the chat history feature to review any past conversations you might need to reference. Effective communication is key to success in Division 2. Always maintain respectful language and avoid any offensive content to foster a positive community. Use the chat for tactical coordination and sharing vital information during missions, which can significantly impact your team's performance. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.